Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicwave.com, making this a small video about the setup between the 33-minute chart and the 20-minute chart and the 7-minute chart. This video is going to be like a part 2 of the last video which I made a few hours ago, and I sent it out. I sent the YouTube, right? So the first video I made when the price, see, this is a Euro USD 33-minute chart, and the price was just made a reversal candle, and it was right there. And I said that, well, this is how it is, that when you have a setup on a 33-minute chart, then you look at the 7-minute and 20-minute chart, and most likely you're going to find a 20-minute short setup while you're having a long setup on 33-minute chart. So what do? Are we gonna go long or short? So here was a short, a 20-minute chart, and the price was here at that time when I made the last video. You can see it on my video channel, right? And so the price was here, and it was like a short setup, nice clean short setup, right? So I explained that in that video that we then go to 7-minute chart and we look for either the long setup above the red line on the 7-minute chart, or we find a short setup if the prices start dropping on 7-minute chart when the yellow line will be below the black line. So either way, we're gonna, whichever way it goes, we're gonna make the entry and then ride with the trade. So what happened on the 7-minute chart, when we go and we take a look here, that this is what happened. On the 7-minute chart, the price was here, and instead of dropping here, right, it popped to the upside. It will hit this level here and then drop, and this indicator came all the way down, and reversal candle happened, and this is a nice long setup that I was talking about. That either the price from 33-minute chart, it usually the yellow goes above the red line, and then the price will drop. This indicates all the way down, and that is a long setup. If the price would be dropping and going below this red line, then you will find the same thing the other way, on the below the red line, and the yellow will be below the black, and you will find a short setup, and the price will drop, and this indicator will be all the way up. So what happened here? That didn't happen, and as I was expecting, because the last week I made the chart that Euro USD is going to go up for a little while, right? So here, what happened? The Euro USD, the 7-minute chart, it went up, yellow went above the red, and we got a nice long setup, and here we go. Now, obviously, this is a setup, and it's not a big trade because this Euro USD doesn't move much. You can see this indicator is showing that average movement on a daily basis, last 60-day range average is 52 pip. So previous day means yesterday it was 91, and today is almost 80. So it has finished the range for the day. That's why it's not moving more. Same thing if you take if you find the 33-minute chart setup on like maybe pound yen or pound Aussie and euro Aussie, you will end up having a nice beautiful maybe 100, 120, 30 pip trade, because those the ranges of those pairs are huge. Like pound Aussie has 170 pip range. This one, Euro USD, has 52 pip range. So that's a big difference, right? So, but the idea is that when you have a setup, this is what you look for, and when you find either short or long, you pull the trigger. Did I pull the trigger? Yes, and I will show you maybe. I think it's here somewhere. Hold on, just a minute. So yeah, so with this, between 33-minute chart and 7-minute chart combo, we know how it is. But sometimes, like I said, that you get a 20-minute chart in the opposite direction, and this is how you deal with it. That either you wait to see if the 20-minute chart is gonna play out, and then in that case you will see this setup. The price will drop from there, and if not, then price will pop up to the upside, and then you will find the yellow going above the red line, and then give you a long setup. You take it and you put your SL there, and then when the price moves away, you will move your SL to the break even, just like here. This is my order here, this is my entry, I took it, and you know, this is how it is. But it's not moving much because it's the daily range is very bad nowadays. This one, I mean, 60-day average is 52. Yesterday it did 90 pip, today already has done 80 pips, so it's not going to move much, right? But the idea is that I showed you that this is how it's going to happen, and this is how it's going to be, either short or long, and I'm going to take it. And I took the long one because it went up and gave me the long setup. The entry is there, and this is how you sit and you like ambush every single 33-minute chart setup. Very easy. It's just a matter of learning and be patient for the setup. You don't even have to be there. You just put the alarm on and the alarm will beep, and in this case the alarm was beeping definitely, and I took it nice and easy. Okay, so that's, I just wanted to show you so that you can understand. And even still, if you don't understand, just you know, send me an email and I'll clarify as much as possible. I'll keep making the videos showing you different you know, pair and trade, because these 33-minute chart setups, they will show up. One is cooking right now in Euro Aussie, so maybe I'll make the chart again, a couple of videos on that, showing you the setup on the 33-minute chart, and then when it start to play out, and I'll show you my entry just like that. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, the rest of the week is just only one more day left. Tomorrow Friday, right? All right, so bye for now and talk to you guys later.